A RAG system can contain the correct answer and still behave as if the answer does not exist. That is the retrieval paradox. The model is not always failing because it cannot reason. Sometimes the search layer never delivers the evidence. Picture a support analyst asking, can an enterprise customer transfer unused credits after a regional account merger? The policy is buried across 3 documents, but the system retrieves a pricing page, an outdated FAQ, and 1 paragraph about account closures. The answer exists, the index is healthy, the embeddings are valid, yet the system misses. Production RAG does not fail only when knowledge is absent. It fails when the retrieval strategy is too simple for the question. The analyst's wording never appears in the documents. The policy uses phrases like balance migration, successor workspace, and regional consolidation. A basic vector search converts the question into one embedding and looks for nearby chunks. That can work when user language resembles document language, but complex questions often compress several intents into one sentence. This request contains customer tier, credit ownership, geography, and merger conditions. One vector must represent all of them at once. The search engine sees a blurry average of the question, so it retrieves chunks that are vaguely related to credits or mergers, but not the rule connecting both. The obvious response is to retrieve more chunks, but increasing top K often adds noise faster than it adds evidence. The model now receives 10 partially related passages instead of 3, and the correct policy may still be missing. Similarity search is ranking resemblance, not proving relevance. It is especially fragile when queries contain rare terms, exact identifiers, multiple constraints, or relationships spread across documents. The hidden failure is architectural. The system assumes every question can be expressed as one search against one representation of the corpus. Once real users ask compound, ambiguous, or domain-specific questions, that assumption becomes the bottleneck. The key shift is to stop treating retrieval as a single database call. Retrieval is a decision process that transforms a user request into a set of search actions, gathers competing evidence, and ranks what deserves the model's attention. The support question should not produce one query. It should produce several retrieval paths, one for credit transfer rules, one for account merger eligibility, one for regional restrictions, and perhaps one exact search for the phrase successor workspace. The memorable principle is simple. One question does not always deserve one search. Better RAG comes from designing how the system searches, not merely choosing where vectors are stored. The first component is query rewriting. A model converts the user's natural phrasing into language closer to the knowledge base while preserving the original intent. Transfer unused credits after a regional account merger might become credit balance migration during workspace consolidation, and enterprise successor account eligibility by region. A good rewrite removes conversational ambiguity, expands acronyms, normalizes product names, and exposes hidden constraints, but rewriting has a risk. The model can silently change the question. Therefore, the original query must remain part of the retrieval set, and rewritten versions should be checked against the user's entities, dates, negations, and requested outcome. Multi-query retrieval takes the next step. Instead of betting everything on one rewrite, the system generates several focused searches, runs them independently, and merges their results. For the analyst, one query targets merger policy, another targets credit portability, another targets regional exceptions, and a fourth asks for exact policy terminology. Duplicate chunks are collapsed, while evidence appearing across several searches gains confidence. This creates a wider retrieval surface without flooding. The final prompt The architecture becomes a loop: understand the request, generate search variants, retrieve candidates, fuse rankings, re-rank evidence, and assemble context. Search becomes a deliberate evidence gathering process rather than a single nearest neighbor lookup. Vectors are strong at meaning, but keywords are strong at identity. Product codes, error messages, policy names, legal clauses, and version numbers can be decisive even when their embeddings are unremarkable. Hybrid search combines semantic retrieval with lexical methods such as BM25, then blends or re-ranks their results in the support case. Semantic search may find documents about account consolidation, while keyword search finds the exact phrase credit balance migration. Neither method is sufficient alone. Semantic search catches paraphrases. Lexical search catches precise language. The practical rule is meaning finds the neighborhood, but exact words often find the door. Metadata filtering narrows search by region, product, customer tier, document status, language, or effective date, but filters become dangerous when metadata is missing or inconsistent. If the analyst's account is tagged global while the policy uses regional labels, a strict filter may exclude the answer. Apply high confidence constraints first, then relax uncertain filters when recall is low. Chunk size creates another trade-off. Small chunks are easier to match precisely, but they often lose definitions, exceptions, and surrounding conditions. Large chunks preserve context, but their embeddings become less specific. Parent-child retrieval resolves this by indexing small child chunks for search, then returning a larger parent section for generation. The analyst's query might match one sentence mentioning successor workspace, but the system sends the full policy section containing eligibility, exclusions, definitions, and regional clauses. This separates the unit used to find evidence from the unit used to explain it. The best searchable fragment is not always the best answerable fragment. Many chunks are ambiguous because document structure disappears during ingestion. A paragraph saying, "This transfer is not permitted," is useless if the chunk no longer contains the heading that explains which transfer. Contextual retrieval enriches each chunk with compact document level context before embedding or indexing. The chunk might be stored as enterprise credits policy, regional consolidation, exception rules, followed by the original paragraph. That added context improves both semantic and lexical, matching without forcing every retrieved result to include the entire document. Retrieval quality is often decided before search begins. A weak index cannot be repaired only by a clever query. Not every question should use the same pipeline. A retrieval router classifies the request and chooses the appropriate strategy. A product code lookup may go directly to keyword search. A policy question may use hybrid search plus metadata filters. A comparison may require multi-query retrieval across several document groups. A question about a table may route to structured data rather than text chunks. Routing can be rule-based, model-based, or a combination, but it must be observable. When retrieval fails, teams need to know which route was selected, which queries ran, which filters applied, and where relevant evidence disappeared. To operationalize advanced retrieval, evaluate the search layer independently from the answer layer, build test questions with known supporting documents, then measure whether the necessary evidence appears in the candidate set and survives re-ranking. Track recall at different depths, ranking quality, filter failures, latency, duplicate results, and the percentage of answers supported by retrieved text. For the merger question, the system should be tested on paraphrases, missing metadata, exact policy terms, and compound wording. A fluent answer can hide a retrieval failure. The most dangerous RAG system is not one that says, "I do not know," but one that explains the wrong evidence beautifully. The final architecture is not embed, search, answer. It is interpret, rewrite, diversify, route, retrieve, fuse, re-rank, expand, and verify. The analyst succeeds because the system searches across meanings, exact terms, metadata, and document structure. A vector database stores candidates. A retrieval strategy finds evidence. Reliable RAG treats search as a controlled investigation, not a single guess.